Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking for a stunning low-maintenance garden feature that adds incredible texture and drama to your yard? Well, today we're diving into the rugged beauty of the backyard rock garden. I've gathered the absolute top 10 best rock garden ideas to inspire your next project. We'll cover everything from what a rock garden is to the best plants to use. Grab your garden gloves and let's get inspired. So, what exactly is a rock garden? At its heart, a rock garden or rockery is a type of landscape feature that incorporates natural stone, boulders, and gravel to mimic a mountainous, alpine, or rocky environment. It's all about blending the hard, permanent features of the rock with soft, living elements, usually drought-tolerant, low-growing, or alpine plants. The scale can be tiny, a miniature display of succulents and pebbles, or grand, a huge feature that incorporates waterfalls, retaining walls, or a simulated dry riverbed. The goal is to create a textural, naturalistic, and often extremely low-maintenance area that celebrates the beauty of stone in the landscape. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of choosing this type of garden. The first major benefit is low maintenance and water conservation. Because rock gardens typically use stones to shade the soil and are designed for alpine or xeriscape plants, they require significantly less water and weeding than a traditional flower bed. This saves you time, money, and helps the environment. Second, they are perfect for challenging terrain. Do you have a steep slope or a poorly draining area? A rock garden, especially one using large boulders as a natural retaining wall, is the perfect solution for preventing erosion and creating usable planting pockets in difficult spots. Finally, they offer year-round rugged beauty. Rocks are permanent architectural features that provide interest even in winter when plants are dormant. The incredible texture, color, and size of the stone add a sense of timeless drama and structure that elevates the entire look of your garden. It truly creates a stunning focal point. Decorating your rock garden is where the real fun begins. It's about balancing the elements for a cohesive look. The key to a beautiful rock garden is naturalistic placement and scale. Don't just scatter rocks. Place large boulders partially buried in the soil to make them look like they've always been there. Group rocks of the same type and color for continuity, and always use an odd number or 3, 5, 7 of large rocks, as this is more pleasing to the eye. Next, focus on texture and color contrast. Use plants with fine, spiky foliage next to smooth, rounded stones, and plants with bold, silvery leaves next to dark, rough rocks. This interplay makes both the plant and the stone stand out. Finally, incorporate water and lighting. A small, recirculating waterfall or a dry creek bed of smooth river stones instantly adds a sense of flow and tranquility. Uplighting large feature boulders or using low-voltage path lights around the perimeter will turn your rock garden into a breathtaking nighttime feature, highlighting all the beautiful textures you worked so hard to create. Selecting the right plants is crucial. They need to be tough, low-growing, and complement the stone. Here are some of the best choices for your rockery. First, creeping thyme or Thymus serpyllum, a wonderfully fragrant, tough, mat-forming plant that cascades over rocks and produces tiny flowers. Second, sedums and hens and chicks or sempervivum, succulents that thrive in rocky, dry conditions and come in a stunning array of colors and textures. Third, ice plant or Delosperma, famous for its vibrant, daisy-like flowers and ability to tolerate intense heat and drought. Fourth, creeping phlox or Phlox subulata, creates a breathtaking carpet of color in the spring, spilling over the sides of boulders and rock walls. Fifth, alpine pinks or dianthus, low-growing, hardy perennials with beautiful, sometimes fragrant fringed flowers. Sixth, dwarf conifers or dwarf mugo pine, provides year-round structure and vertical interest among the low-growing plants and boulders. Seventh, lavender or lavandula, perfect for the warm, sunny spots in your rock garden, providing color and that unmistakable soothing scent. Eighth, yuccas and ornamental grasses, provide a bold architectural contrast, especially excellent near large feature rocks. Now for the moment of inspiration. Using the images you sent, let's explore the top 10 ways you can implement these ideas in your own yard, moving beyond the traditional garden bed and into rugged beauty. 1. Alpine garden with color pop. This creative design focuses on alpine plants and ground covers nestled between varied sizes of gray and pink boulders. The striking use of white gravel or crushed stone mimics a snowy mountain landscape, giving the vibrant purple and pink creeping flocks a dramatic, mountainous look. The antique wagon wheel adds a rustic, architectural accent, enhancing the picturesque, high-altitude theme. 2. Boulder steps and terracing. This elegant design uses large, flat boulders as natural steps and terraces leading up to a porch and house entrance. The rocks blend the hard structure of the home with the natural landscape. The planting is lush and green, featuring a variety of textures from tall grasses to mounding shrubs, creating a soft, welcoming transition from the lawn to the building's architecture. 3. The streambed oasis. This design beautifully integrates a recirculating stream and waterfall into a naturally mounded garden bed. It uses large, rust-colored boulders to define the banks and is richly planted with vibrant purple verbena, yellow sedum, and tall ornamental grasses, creating a lush, dynamic, and colorful ecosystem. The water feature provides a relaxing soundscape and a stunning focal point right off the front porch, demonstrating how water elements can thrive even in a rocky landscape. 4. Modern xeriscape dry creek. An excellent example of drought-tolerant landscaping that utilizes a dry creek bed of various sized river stones and large feature boulders. Black mulch and dark, coarse rocks contrast sharply with the pale pebbles and the unusual terracotta pipe feature, giving it a clean, modern, and high-contrast look perfect for a low-water, low-maintenance curb appeal design. This concept shows how to manage runoff while maintaining aesthetic appeal. 5. River stone garden bed. Ideal for a driveway or patio border, this garden uses a dense mix of smooth, rounded river stones and pebbles in varying colors. The rocks completely eliminate the need for mulch and greatly reduce weed growth, creating a highly maintenance-free bed. Dark red roses and lavender provide color and height contrast, while small yellow daylilies pop among the smooth stones. 6. Zen garden water feature. This design is a perfect example of a compact, meditative rock garden water feature. It utilizes a collection of smooth, dark river rocks and small boulders, meticulously arranged around a subtle tiered stone structure. Water gently flows from an upper spout or small basin, creating a soft, tranquil cascade that provides soothing background noise. The surrounding area is covered in fine, contrasting gray gravel or pebbles, which helps highlight the placement of the larger stones. 7. Grand retaining rock wall. A large-scale solution for a steep slope, this uses huge, chunky fieldstone to create a massive structural retaining wall. The staggered placement allows for planting pockets to soften the stone mass, holding back the soil and creating a dramatic, sweeping edge along the manicured lawn. The sheer scale is breathtaking and ensures excellent drainage and erosion control for a major grade change. 8. The potted rock garden border. A fantastic option for renters or those who love container gardening. This design incorporates a mix of potted plants and succulents placed atop a deep border of white river pebbles and small boulders. The containers allow for flexibility and easy plant rotation, while the pebbles and rocks provide a uniform, clean, and modern, drainage-friendly base for the garden border, perfect for patios and walkways. 9. Backyard corner waterfall. A brilliant idea for a small space or fence corner. This stacked rock structure creates a miniature, multi-tiered waterfall and pond feature. It's surrounded by tropical and alpine plants, like the sago palm and bamboo, and small river stones, proving you don't need a huge yard for a dramatic water element. It's an instant, tranquil hideaway that maximizes vertical space against a boundary. 10. Natural terraced hillside. This massive design uses large, natural-colored boulders to create a stunning tiered retaining wall on a sloping landscape. The rocks provide essential soil structure and prevent erosion, while a mix of sprawling ground covers and taller shrubs, like the smoke bush, soften the edges. The curved, manicured lawn path and mulch border add a sense of luxury and flow, seamlessly blending the wild rockery into the formal garden. Wow, the sheer variety and beauty of these rock garden designs are just incredible. Whether you're looking for a low-water xeriscape like the dry creek bed, the tranquil sound of a waterfall stream, or a dramatic solution for a steep slope, there is a rock garden design perfect for your space. Remember, your backyard is your canvas, and natural stone provides the ultimate, timeless foundation for your art. Which one of these 10 ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are ready to start your rock garden project, Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll show you the step-by-step process of installing a dry creek bed.